Welcome to my channel. It's been a while, and like I said earlier, I said in my next video I'll teach you guys how to link your card to your PayPal account here in Nigeria so that you can transfer your funds from your PayPal to your Nigeria bank account. Yeah, this thing I want to show you guys is legit. It's not scam, it's real, and just follow it up so that you understand every bit of it. And in case you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video. Alright, if you want to link your bank account to your PayPal account so that you'll be able to withdraw your funds to your Nigeria bank account, this is what you're going to do. First of all, you open a PayPal account. If you don't know how to open a PayPal account here in Nigeria, I can transfer funds. Please check my previous video. Yeah, you get it. I explain everything. I explain how you guys can open it and some things they how to open it and do everything there. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to link that specific card that can and make you to withdraw your funds from a PayPal account to your Nigeria bank account. Alright, first of all, you log into your PayPal account like this. This is a Lesotho PayPal. You log into you log into your account. You log into your account. Alright, this is the last PayPal account I opened. Alright, log into a PayPal account now. So let's wait for it to load. Yeah, this is my PayPal account. So as you can see, I'm having $286 in this my account. $286. As you can see, these are some transactions I did. Withdrew some money. So I withdrew it to my card. This one payment from this is what payment from this person, like all this money, like I withdrew them to my card, but I'm having 286 available balance presently. And this how, first of all, I'll show you guys how to link the card. I'll show you guys how to link the card and the kind of card you link. So this particular card we are going to link is a card that you get from a UBA bank. So you just go to if you have an account with UBA, you can just go straight there and just go and you meet them and tell them that you want to get an AfriCard. That you want to get an AfriCard Visa, to be specific, an AfriCard. And this is the kind of card. This is how the AfriCard looks like. I'll show you guys how the AfriCard looks like so that to make things easy for you guys. So this is how an AfriCard looks like. This is it from a UBA bank. You can see here it's a Visa kind of card. Visa, and over here you can see it's a prepaid card. You just go to any UBA branch, ask them that you want a prepaid card or an Africard. Then by filling the form, you tell them that you take Visa, an Africard, you get a Visa card, not a MasterCard, not a VAV. You get a Visa card, Africard Visa. So after getting the card, then you the card they'll give you free, but before you can change your pin, reset the pin at the ATM, you need to fund the the account with 1,000 naira or 1,050 naira, like something like that, or 1,100. Just put 1,100 naira in the card. Then you go to ATM, then you go to any ATM, any UBA ATM around you. Then you just put the card, then you reset your pin. Once you reset the pin, the bank will take the 1,050 naira as their fee for the card. That means the card is now active now. But before you can link the card to your paper account, you need to have up to like $5 in it, probably, sorry, like $3 in it. So my advice for you is that just try and load and put 1,000 naira in the card. You fund the card with 1,000 naira. Yes. So after funding the card with 1,000 naira, at least you have 1,000 naira in your balance. Then you now go to I'll show you guys how to link card now. You go to this place. You can go to your payments. You can see link. This is the I have two cards here, a prepaid card and a MasterCard. But this is the card I use in transferring the money. This is the card I use in transferring the money. The prepaid card, you can see the prepaid card here. So but if you want to link your own after opening the paper account, you just go to link new card. Let me show you guys for emphasis sake. You go to link new card, then you put your card number here. The card number, you put the card number. Once you put the card number, automatically it will change to Visa here. You will see Visa. You leave it that way. Then you put your expiring date and the security code. You put it. Once you put it, then you link card. That is it. Then once you've linked your card, you see that your card has been linked to your paper account. You receive an email from paper that your card was linked successfully. Then you now, if you want to transfer your funds from your paper to your card, you go to you can do it from here, but let's go to somewhere, so I'll show you guys. You go to this place, your balance. You see you see everything about your paper account here. $286. Then you just go to transfer money. You go to transfer money. Once you go to transfer money, actually this account was blocked earlier, and I have to wait for some time before I can take my funds from it. But once you've linked the card successfully and your paper is working perfectly, you go to transfer money. Once you go to transfer money, then you now see the amount you want to transfer. If everything you want to transfer, you click it, then you just transfer money from. You click on it, then probably at times it might drop to your account immediately. At times it might take up to 24 hours, and at times it might take up to 72 hours for it to drop in your account. But most times it normally drop immediately. You just see your money in your account, and the money will appear in naira, not in dollar, in naira now, because the bank will convert it to you in naira, and you'll be able to withdraw it at any POS or ATM in Nigeria. So that is how to link your card to your paper account here in Nigeria. And if you want to know how to open a paper account, check my previous video. I explain everything you need to know about how to open a paper account here in Nigeria. So this one is how to link your card to your paper account so that you can withdraw your funds in naira. So that, like, of course, in Nigeria we don't spend dollar, we only spend naira. So you withdraw your fund to your Nigeria bank account, and you'll be able to get your money in naira. And I think presently the exchange rate, the bank exchange rate, is around 385 to 390 per dollar presently. So for each dollar, the bank will give you 385 or 319 naira per dollar, something like at that range like that. So that's it. All right. So once more, let me just go through it again. The card you need to link is a prepaid card. A prepaid card. The type of the card type is Visa. Visa. Don't go to the bank and collect Mastercard though. It's Visa. You get Visa card. Then that is all for now. If you can drop your question. If you're not clear about anything, just ask me. Comment on the comment section and just feel free. Ask me whatever you want to know. So I'll reply your the comment as soon as possible. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video. I think that will be all for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks.